This is the last problem, problem number 17 from worksheet 7 of chapter 3. The directions state here, find the length of side AB in the special right triangle shown below. So first thing here, we know that this is a special right triangle. We know it's a right triangle because it's got the right angle here. And then you see we have the 45-degree angle in, up in this corner. So that means that this one's also going to have to be 45 degrees down here. So our rules or our patterns with 45, 45, 90 right triangles there. Okay, remember our hypotenuse, which is this side here, the diagonal, okay, is always going to end up being radical 2 times longer than either of the legs. It makes sense there because the hypotenuse is always the longer side. So what we're going to do here then is, since we know we have the side CA is 2 radical 6, and then we don't really know much about the other sides except for the angles, okay? Well, first of all, we know that side BC is going to be 2 radical 6 because this is an isosceles right triangle. And we know that the hypotenuse is always going to be radical 2 times longer than either of those legs. So we're just going to take our 2 radical 6 and we're going to multiply it times the square root of 2. Now when you do that here, you're going to need to simplify down your answer. It should be 2 times the square root of 12. And then we're going to simplify that, make that 2 times the square root of 4 times 3, which is like 2 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 3, or basically in the end, it's going to be 4 times the square root of 3. And that would be the side length of AB in this triangle. If you have questions, make sure you bring them to class. Thank you.